What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, today's video is kind of going to be more like a chill, like girl talk. I can't talk today already, Lord have mercy. Anyways, like a girl talk type of video, kind of like an update and all that fun stuff. I feel like I haven't like actually sat down in front of my camera. Well, now it's like an actual camera and not just my iPhone, so I'm a happy camper. But anyways, I basically just wanted to jump on here and kind of just talk to you guys, have a more like one-on-one type of thing. Looking back at some of my videos, I feel like I've been so focused because like my main thing when I started the new year is like I'm trying to cut down my videos. My videos are too long. Like people aren't staying around to watch the whole thing because they'll be between like 12 to like 18 minutes. So I was really trying my hardest to kind of cut my videos down a lot. But I feel like in me doing so, I kind of lost a little bit of my personality. Like I don't crack as many jokes. I don't get as goofy, like especially when I do like my voiceovers for my makeup videos, or if I'm doing like a hair review or like a makeup product review or anything of the sort. I feel like I'm so focused on A, making sure I get to the point, and B, making sure I touch on all the points I want to touch on. I lose my I lose my personality a little bit, and I'm just like, dang, like I don't want to become one of those people that I'm literally just sitting here talking about a product like a robot. Like I want you guys to kind of, especially because I did get a lot of new subscribers since I have been doing chit chat videos, because I stopped doing those, I would say back in like November. Like basically it's just been like product videos, beauty related videos, hair tutorials, hair reviews, hair updates, that type of stuff. So speaking of which, thank you so much to each and every one of you guys that did subscribe to me. I currently have over 100 subscribers, and that is insane to me because I'm like, dang. Like, oh, I look like Momo for a second. Kinda. Oh, that ain't cute. But anyways, but like, to me, it's like, dang, like over 100 people decided to click the subscribe button. Like that is awesome to me, you know, like compared to a lot of people that might not seem a lot, but that's a lot to me. Because that just shows that there's growth. Like I don't expect to sit up here, have 100K overnight. You know what I'm saying? Like that's absolutely not realistic. But to know that slowly but surely I'm growing, and like the little family that I wanted to create on my channel is getting bigger, it definitely means a lot. So thank you again to all you guys that subscribe to me. Thank you so much for all the people that support me. Also fellow content creators that support me. Thank you guys so very much. I don't want to say names in particular because God forbid if I forget anybody, I'm gonna feel extremely bad, extremely awkward, and I would feel some type of way if someone else did that to me and then forgot to say my name. So, but you know who you are, and thank you. Also, a little side note when it does come to that, if you happen to upload a video and you don't see me comment on that video for a couple days, please don't feel a type of way. Truth be told, even though I love uploading content on YouTube and stuff, I'm not on YouTube a lot. Like, mind you, I work a full-time job, so basically from 8:30 to 5:15 I'm not even home. I don't even have the chance to really be on my phone all like that. So, and then on top of that, by the time I do get home, I'm usually on Netflix. So just throwing that out there. Please don't feel any type of way. Please don't think that I'm trying to be shady, because there are a lot of shady people that did hit me up in my comments throughout the month talking about, oh yeah, let's support each other, but then never comment on another video. I'll comment on their videos, don't say nothing. You know what I'm saying? So like that's a lot of that going around. So that's why I have like a love-hate relationship with the whole sub for sub thing, because it's just like, it's just been happening way too often. Like a part of me wants to stop doing that and kind of just be like, oh, thank you so much for the support, but no thank you. Like a part of me wants to start doing that, but then another part of me is like, no, Diamond, don't do it, because there's still genuine people out there. And again, like I said, there are a few content creators that I definitely feel as though I do have like a sisterhood type of thing with, just because I watch their videos, I comment, they watch my videos, they comment. So again, thank you so much guys for that as well. Like honestly, my experience on YouTube so far, I love it. I genuinely do love creating content, uploading videos, uploading my thoughts, just kind of sharing with you guys. I love the fact that slowly but surely I'm upgrading my equipment. Like I remember when I first started my channel, I had this cheap little tripod slash selfie stick type of thing, and I was just shooting with my phone. Like literally every single video that I uploaded on my channel besides this one that I'm recording right now has been with my iPhone. With my cracked iPhone screen, has been with my iPhone. So, you know, slowly but surely I'm upgrading my gear. I have a ring light now. I have the little vanity joint now. But yeah, especially now that I have my camera, like I have so many different video ideas that are just like popping up that I quick have to make sure I write down. I definitely am going to be starting to do more fashion lookbooks because I'm in love with fashion, but the way my iPhone was set up, I couldn't really do it kind of like how I envisioned to do it. Like if I envision me doing a video a certain way and it doesn't come out like that, I just won't upload it, period. Even if I spend like a whole hour, 2 hours shooting it, I will just scrap the whole video if it doesn't turn out the way I want it to. I'm just a perfectionist when it comes like that. Like when I look at how I used to edit, how my video quality used to be like before I even got my ring light too, it kind of makes me cringe a little bit, but at the same time too, it kind of shows that again, you're changing. It's gradual. Like you're gradually getting better when it comes to editing, when it comes to lighting, when it comes to just you doing your makeup in general. Like you're just getting better, and it takes time. Like you're not just gonna be this perfect YouTuber with the perfect lighting and the perfect camera presence and all this crap right off the bat unless you're already used to kind of being the center of attention, if that makes sense. So definitely what you guys are expecting to see from me is more chit chat videos, because I feel like I stopped doing those and I definitely want to get back into doing them. I definitely, now that I actually have a camera and I have my phone off to the side and not having to worry about shooting with it, I'm definitely going to be writing down notes so I can like kind of stay on topic and not ramble, kind of like what I'm doing now. Hopefully when I edit this, it'll all kind of just go smooth together, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed for that. But definitely going to be uploading like more fashion videos, of course hair reviews, hair updates, more makeup looks for you guys, product reviews, my thoughts. I'm sprinkling a little bit of fitness in there because of the main fact that I feel like my body is kind of reverting back, basically me gaining weight again. And that is a no-no because summer is coming up and your girl gotta be looking snatched. Like I'm trying to look good in that bikini, I'm trying to look good in them shorts, I'm trying to look good in them summer maxi dresses, you know, like I'm trying to look good in those bell-bottom type pants that make your booty look popping. Like I'm trying to make sure that your girl looks good. Like who wants to walk around in the summer and feel like blah, you know what I'm saying? Like nah, that ain't me. Like summer 19 is gonna be the best summer so far. I'm just saying, I proclaim it in Jesus' name that this summer will be the it summer for me as of now. But yeah, like to me, like YouTube is genuinely super fun. Like I've loved the friends and connections that I've built on this platform so far. And again, I haven't even been on YouTube for a whole year yet. I love the fact that slowly but surely I'm starting to see my subscribers grow, my family getting bigger. So that's nice because it's like, I feel like YouTube basically turned into a whole, oh, let me become a YouTuber so I can make money, or oh, let me make a fake couple channel with my boyfriend that I can't stand, but I'm gonna stay with him because it's a money bag type of thing. Not throwing shade to nobody, but I'm sorry, but I feel like there's a lot of fake couple channels, and the couple channels actually aren't that much of a trend no more, so that's a good thing. But I kind of wanted to just jump on here and basically show like my story and like what my views and beliefs are when it comes to multiple things and what my opinions are on different products and all that fun stuff. So yeah, I basically just wanted to jump on here and kind of touch on a couple things, which I hope I did. I apologize if it seems like this video is all over the place. I literally just decided to plop down and film this just because A, this is the first video that I'm filming with my camera and hopefully uploading, we will see. And B, because I feel like my makeup looks really good today, and I'm like, you know what, let me just try to film it to see what it looks like, you know? And it's just like, I kind of wanted, especially like my newer subscribers that don't really know me all like that, to try to get to know me at least a little bit better and kind of know what you're expecting when it does come to this particular channel. Because some people just subscribe just because, hey, I like this one video, and then really not kind of get the feel of what this channel is about. So hopefully that gives you guys a little bit more insight on that. And also definitely like when it comes to like chit chat type of videos, I feel like it gives you guys more of an idea of like my personality basically. Like I feel like when I do like chit chat type of videos, you guys can kind of see more like my personality come out and not so much like me just focusing on talking about a product or me focusing on making sure I touch all the points in a hair review, or me doing a makeup voiceover. Like, I want to kind of have like more like personal, like girl talk type of videos like this, especially since I do have more subscribers now. So definitely look more out for that. But I feel like you guys can get a lot more of a feel for how my personality is, how I like to be a little bit more goofy and all that other stuff, because I'm a firm believer of basically just being yourself. And I noticed that a lot of the videos I've been uploading as of late, I feel like I kind of lost that because I'm so focused on, oh my gosh, I want to cut this video down, I want to get to the point, I want to hit the points that I want to hit and then end the video. And to me, it's kind of like, all right, like, y'all ain't really seeing my personality as much as I want y'all to. So yeah, that's another reason why I wanted to make this. So hopefully it didn't turn out to be a hot mess. Hope you guys, you stayed till the end to hear everything your girl gotta say. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day or evening or whatever time you happen to be watching this. And I will definitely see you guys in my next one.